People, when their parent goes into a nursing home, they really think that it's just all about the care and that somehow Medicare is going to cover the bill forever. And what we've, noticed is that clients are not well informed when they come in about what are all the different myths about money. Now, I can't go into all of them, but I would say a couple things. Number one, Medicaid covers most nursing home expenses in almost every nursing home. Every nursing home that takes Medicare takes Medicaid as well. So people have this myth that I don't want to be in a Medicaid room, I don't want to be in a Medicaid bed. Well, almost every room takes Medicaid and Medicare. So we make sure that people know how to get to Medicaid without losing all of their assets. The most important thing is that spousal cases, or there's a husband and wife and the wife goes into the nursing home, we want to make sure that the person who stays in the community can keep almost all of their assets. And they can keep their home, they can keep their IRA assets, they can keep their car, and then whatever is left, they can also keep half of that up to about $150,000. So we want to make sure that people are informed about what the rules are so that we can follow them. And then we make the Medicaid application for people, because then the spouse in the nursing home has to get down to $2,000. So we have to make sure that we line everything up exactly right the first time so that we're not in a situation where every month that goes by that Medicaid is not paying for the facility is a month that it's $12,000, $14,000 a month. So we want to make sure that we're getting that right the first time. The other thing that people don't know is that, they hear about the 5-year look back and that you can't transfer things within the 5 years. Well, you can, you just have to navigate the consequences within the Medicaid system. So we like to make sure that if we move assets here, and that creates a penalty where, again, people think that it's gonna be taking the money from the kid. It's not, it's only gonna say, we're not gonna pay for the nursing home for 1 month for every $7,500 that's transferred. So we wanna make sure that we can navigate whatever number of months those are. So it's complicated, but the bottom line is that if you don't know the system, you're just gonna get trampled. And so we wanna make sure that we are doing a plan, we are putting all of the stuff forward and making sure that they understand what they're supposed to do, the family's supposed to do, and then we go to Medicaid and we tell them what we did, and then we make them follow their own rules. So that's really how the financials go, but there's so much misinformation. I always say don't let the internet confuse you about what I know in my law degree. It's more important to know the system and know the laws than to be trying to figure it out on your own with your iPad, So we want to make sure that we're helping people walk through that whole system. Hi everybody, I'm Rachel Kabb. I'm a certified elder law attorney, and you can always call on us at the Kabb Law Firm to make an appointment and to get the right information and to help have that advocate on your side.